Hello guys, and welcome back to another big banger. In today's video I am cooking a Cowfoot pumpkin soup. If you want to see how I do this, stay tuned and watch what I want. Okay guys, so this is the Cowfoot which I pressured in the pressure cooker, right? And now see how soft it is. Alright, lots of collagen, good for the bones, the joints and the skin. Now I'm pouring this into this big pot because I definitely need some space to have enough soup. So I'm adding some water. The pumpkin, I boiled it and got the core out of it because I didn't want the skin. The skin is green and I don't want green soup, so I just boiled it and removed the core, and now I'm blending it to make it thick and smooth. This is gonna give the soup some rich color and texture. Now I have my ground provision which I prepared, some corn, sweet corn, that is, some chocho, right, nice for the soup. And then I have some yams, I have some dashi in here that I just cut them up small, and I have some sweet potato, I have some carrot here that I am adding, and then I'm just pouring everything into the pot. I have one country pepper in there as well. Right, so the pot now start bubbly it, right, because it have to eat up some more. Now I'm just adding the cock soup. I'm using 2 packs of cock soup. Now I am gonna throw in some okra, but I'm just getting the stem off, right? This is gonna help to make this soup thick and rich, and you know, okra good for the bones as well. So here we go, I'm just mixing everything together, and I think after this I'm just gonna let it simmer, come together before I add any more of my ingredients. So see it here now guys, pot is bubbling. Alright, so I just need up some cornmeal dumpling, right? And I'm just gonna add that to the soup because we Jamaicans, we don't drink soup without our dumpling. Adding some fresh thyme. So now I'm just seasoning up, adding some butter, right? I'm just adding the final touches, a little flavor rice. I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, a little allspice, and this is gonna turn up the flavor. Some black pepper as well, right? And some Scotch bonnet pepper in the pack. It is the same thing as if I was using the fresh pepper. And I'm adding some rosemary to the pot, give it a nice fresh flavor with all those herbs and spices. So just giving it a quick stir, and then I think after this I'm just gonna let it bubble some more. Bring everything together, looking at the Cowfoot. And now let me check back in and see what I want. So see here now, everything cooked and ready. Look at the Cowfoot, just a jiggle, 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 jiggle. That's what the bone needs, and that is what helps us to get that nice firm skin, right? This is the real source of collagen. See it right here guys. This soup look rich, look tasty, good for the road. Look at that, look at that. And see the okra here, look at that. Nice, nice sweet corn. Look on sweet corn for days. Yam, dashi, dumpling. This soup have everything possible. And this you call Cowfoot pumpkin soup. Look at that, rich. And now let me taste it and see what I want to eat. Yeah man, ready, 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 ready. Alright, now it's food time. Yes, look at this. Yes, so nice. Cowfoot pumpkin soup, hot and ready. Look at that, guys. Thank you for watching. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks to all my new subscribers. You can definitely learn some real Jamaican recipes from this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.